Hi, I'm Harrison Pugh. I'm on the Tuesday tutorial, and this is my week 4 Excel training data homework. First step, obviously downloaded the week 4 Excel training data. Then for step 2, I cleaned it all up just by adjusting these so that you were able to read everything properly. Then I formatted the unit price here. I just clicked, went down, highlighted all 500 items, and then I went to here and clicked accounting, as it says to do on the homework. Um, I did the same with the delivery date, went to the short date format, and then with the item category and the customer name column, I used a combination of the proper, upper, and uh, text to columns functions. I couldn't really figure out how to use the concat one, but eventually it worked out. Actually, no, the last name, I couldn't figure out how to just capitalize the last name. So that's something I got to work on. Um, yeah. And then for step three, I added GST. I did it by this formula, E2 times 10%, which is which is what the instructions were, 10% of the unit price. Made that into a new column. Yep. Uh, then total sales price, adding both the GST and the unit price together. That gave that, made a new column for that. And then delivery time, made this column too. It's just the delivery date minus the sales date. Or sorry, the sales date. The sales date minus the delivery date. And yep, and then that gave the amount of days that it takes for it to for it for it to arrive. Then I developed the other two variables of the order year and the order month. So just 2023, 2022. I did that just by year, F3, and then month, F3 too. Did that for the same. I couldn't figure out how to put it into how do I say it? Like put it into words, the month. Yeah, like for example, the 7th, that would be July, but I couldn't figure out how to put it into July. Um, then I made a pivot table. Where's the pivot table? Maybe here? I think this is it. Yep, that's it. That is the pivot table. Use the, obviously I did the values. I put the item categories placed in the columns, the order year and order month in the rows area, and then the total sales price in the values area. Yep. And then back over here, created histograms for both delivery time and total sales price, I believe. Yep. Uh, yeah. And then pretty much, obviously, the normal distribution, delivery time. Uh, and then for the final step, I calculated the mean, standard deviation, median for both the total sales price and the delivery time, and then I calculated the probability that the delivery time would exceed 7 days. Hold on, sorry, gotta fix this up. I accidentally said, yeah. Um, did that just by the normal distribution function. Yeah. Anyways, that's the end of my thing.